This is a 2005 Dodge Stratus. It has a 2.7-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, full power accessories, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, a passenger side airbag, door reinforcement beams, and cruise control. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.